Is criminal investigation considered an art or science? For me, it is both an art and a science. It is an art because there are things you can learn to do. It involves drawings, sketching, photography, audio, and video taking, and also socialization takes place. It is not all about case, but also there have been numerous cases of lab-related errors. The art form comes into play when the science is applied by humans who can make mistakes. But there is also the art of interviewing, which takes skill, imagination, and often creativity. So both science and art play roles in an investigation. The art is part of investigation is dealing with people, interviewing them, and getting them to be truthful. A truly great investigator can do amazing things with a strong acumen in interview and interrogation, crime scene investigation, human behavior, and psychology. Some of these things are an art form and some are purely scientific. However, criminal investigation also requires artistic skills. Investigators must possess intuition, empathy, and strong communication abilities to effectively interact with witnesses, suspects, and victims. They need to be skilled interviewers able to build rapport, elicit information, and detect deception. The art of investigation lies in the ability to think creatively, adapt to changing circumstances, and make sound judgments based on incomplete information. Ultimately, criminal investigation is most effective when art and science work together. Scientific methods provide a solid foundation for gathering and analyzing evidence, while artistic skills enable investigators to navigate the complexities of human behavior and solve crimes. Yet, criminal investigation is not solely a scientific endeavor. It also demands a keen understanding of human behavior, psychology, and communication. Investigators must possess the ability to connect with individuals from diverse backgrounds, build trust, and elicit information. The art of interviewing involves active listening, observation, and the skillful use of questioning techniques to uncover hidden